Rolling through the city on these Foggiatos, skinny, cheap and bubble.
Alright, so that's a picture of one installed. And the airline is routed over this way, coming out right here. The other one is gonna sit right next to it. Sit right there. If you look right here, this one is in. It's not inflated all the way yet. And I know you guys are probably wondering, why is this airlines coming out of the actual bushing right there? Right there, you can see it. It's coming out. That's the little black part. I can't really touch it. Well, you can see it's zip tied right there. And I got this in. And the reason I did that is because my bump stop at the top, well, my bump stop is right there and it's solid. I don't want to reverse it down and have the airlines hanging out the bottom of the car. It's just, it came out better this way. So far, I'm liking it. Let's go on and get this thing really tied in, everything neat. And then I'm gonna show y'all, you know, how it looks. All right, y'all, that's my current ride height. My fender well was basically flush with this rim. I'll try to pull up some older videos of the car. But yeah, it was horrible. I got my inflation valves mounted right there in my bumper. I'm gonna get some black or some chrome caps to go on that. And yeah, so it sits much better. So it's sitting at 30 PSI. They say from cars to SUVs, you can fill it from 5 to 35 PSI. So I got 5 more pounds to go on it. And probably make a difference. So far, so good, y'all. Everything is holding up real fine. I can actually go up a little higher, but I'm gonna wait to max it out. But what I do plan on doing is actually getting some bigger bags. That way it can, you know, fill the springs up a lot better. These fill it up okay, but I want a real snug fit. But so far so good. And I'm thinking about cutting the bump stop down a little bit just to make a better surface. And then underneath are my valves. And it's kind of like what you see. The right side controls the right, the left side controls the left. I'm laughing because, you know, that's people looking like Dovetail. You know, that's what, you know, common sense. But yeah, so the ride is definitely much better. From the headlight aim, stopping, body roll, it's a night and day difference. It's a night and day difference. But I ain't gonna hold too hard in this parking lot right here. Anybody familiar, y'all already know where I'm at. So yeah, peace and bass, y'all. Alright, so check it out. Night and day difference, y'all. I'm talking about night and day. It's insane. When I hit bumps, it's not that hard, you know, just like I have no shocks, it's just no tire. Sometimes I feel like it's just the rim hitting the ground. It's a cringy feel. But now I don't get that. I don't get the bounce, the bottoming, almost bottoming out. Well, yeah, sometimes it would clean itself out. But it's a definite difference. It's almost like riding in a Cadillac now. Kind of enjoy, you know, driving now, you know, with this car. So I highly suggest anyone that's, you know, having issues with, you know, and like right now I'm going into a turn. Oh my God, no body roll. Like my car will literally